Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. All right, first thing we're going to do now, we're going to be serving up some steaks. Now, of course, we've got some veggies to chop and cook and prepare. And here we've got 3 bulbs of garlic. You know how to make roasted garlic, right? You just slice off the top of the bulb like that, and you dredge it with some good olive oil. And we need these roasted garlic for the taters. Man, you want to take this step and do it. Oh, it tastes real good. Those mashed taters. All right. Now, we'll put it indirect on the grill, and we're just going to cook it. Now, our recipes are going to be calling for some sliced onion and some garlic. And, you know about cutting up veggies, right? We don't have to show you this. Now, let's start preparing the gravy. We've got one of those roasting pans right there. And what we're going to do to start off with this gravy is we've got 3 or 4 slices of bacon. All right, and we want to add some bacon to this gravy. Give it a nice, smoky, salty taste of that bacon in there. Man, we want to take the time to do this. Man. Here I've got some good cooking oil. I'm going to add it to the pan first, and this is so the bacon doesn't stick to the pan. Throw it right in. We're just going to partially cook it. It only takes a few minutes. Simple enough, right? Now for this gravy, we need 1 stick of butter. All right? We'll melt it down. Now, if you've never had mashed potatoes, steak, and bourbon gravy, definitely got to check this out. Some good eating at the pit. Now, here I've got some diced onions, right? Just about, maybe a half a cup, 3/4 cup we're going to throw in there, and we're going to cook it down. That. And also throwing in some mushrooms. We got about a half pound of mushrooms going in there. Look at that. Add some salt. Some fresh ground black peppercorn. Smells good. And here's the magic. We've got some bourbon. You're going to need to add about a half a cup of bourbon. Use your favorite bourbon. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Now we're going to make a roux out of this, all right? And you know how to make that, right? You just add some flour. You just cook it just a little bit. Become like a paste. Yeah. This is going to help thicken your gravy too. Now here I'm adding about 5 quarts of beef stock, right? Use your favorite stock. We need a lot of gravy for this recipe. And we're just going to let it simmer a little bit. Now we've got some fresh picked corn going on the grill back there. We're going to be cooking that for about an hour. And we also have a piece of sirloin steak here. This is about the tastiest piece of beef you can get. Nice piece of sirloin. What we're going to do with this, we're going to sear it on the grill because we're going to be adding this to the gravy. Oh, man. Got a nice simmer going on there. Yeah. Just throw that steak on the grill right over the coals. You want to cook it about medium rare. Now we're checking on those potatoes. They're done. Perfect. Oh, yeah. What we're going to do here is we're going to chop up this steak into small pieces. Dice it up good. All right. Steak has been chopped. Now what makes this not your mama's gravy is it's going to be full chopped steak. Oh, yeah. Lord have mercy. Oh, yeah. Now we're going to simmer this. Good steak sauce for your steaks, right? Black iron pan to melt. And here Big is throwing in some olive oil. And to that, we're adding about 1 teaspoon
of garlic,
and we'll season it up. A little bit of salt, some fresh black peppercorn. Then we're going to melt it down. All right. Now, magic to this sauce, it's going to be apple beer. All right. Now, you can use what beer you want, but we're making an apple beer steak sauce here. So you throw in 1 bottle. Man. And now, we've got about 1 Vidalia onion here, nice sweet onion, and we're going to poach these onion rings in there for a bit. Oh, yeah, baby. Now, our steak sauce is going to have some mushrooms. We're going to be putting about 1 pound of sliced mushrooms in there. Look at that. Cook down a bit. And now we're going to thicken it. And you could use flour and water. Or here we've got some cornstarch and water. You know how to thicken your gravy and your sauces, right? Just add a little bit. Keep stirring, heating it up, and starting to thicken. Simple enough. Of course, these aren't ordinary mashed potatoes. Heavy's throwing in those 3 bulbs roasted garlic. Of course, some more salt, fresh ground black peppercorn. Touch it, a little bit of milk. You can make it as creamy or as sticky as you want. Pound of shredded cheese going in, and use your favorite cheese. The steaks are done. I say it's time to eat. Oh, yeah. put some steak and bourbon gravy on those taters. Ooh-wee. Trip, bro!